Hi guys, today I will show you how you can activate your Windows 10. It's a really simple process. First of all, you have to download this tool named KMS AutoNet from this website, which I am highlighting, .mhfix.net. After that, you have to open your Windows Defender by going to your search, and then you have to go to virus and threat protection. There you will find virus and threat protection settings, and here you can off real-time protection. Okay, after turning off your antivirus, or you can say Windows Defender, you go again to your search bar and type run. Open it, and right here services.msc, what servic services.msc, and then click OK. Here we get a lot of services, so we are looking for Windows update. Here we find it. It's actually off for me. I have stopped it, but you will find it started, so just click on stop to stop it. Okay, so 3 steps you have to do. First of all, you have to stop your antivirus, then go to services and turn off Windows update. Then the last step you have to do is to turn off your Wi-Fi. Okay, Wi-Fi connection. So after that, you have to open your KMS AutoNet that you have downloaded before. Then extract. You can extract or directly open the exe file, executable file. Now you have opened your tool. You can see 2 buttons: activation, information. You just have to click on activation button to activate your Windows. My Windows is already activated, so you can just click on this activation button to activate your Windows. Thanks for watching the videos. Please like and subscribe. Thank you. Bye.